Hi, I'm Don Cooper. I'm the CEO and founder of Innovator Industrial Services. And in this video series, we're going to have some fun. We have written articles in the past on the history of isolation and test plugs and on the advancements in that technology. So rather than writing about it, we thought we would go out into the marketplace and rent all of the plugs that our customers and our audience has available and compare them all in a controlled situation to see how they perform. So we're going to be measuring how long it takes to set these plugs up, how fast it is for them to be able to accomplish a hydro test on the desired pressure, and see if they actually perform as they're supposed to. We are testing 6-inch extra strong pipe with 1,500 pound flanges. The test pressure is 2,500 psi. In this category, the field gets narrowed down to simply 2 tools that are stated publicly that are capable of doing these tests. We're going to be testing the Carber O-ring tool, and we're going to be testing the Innovator IWT tool. So now we're on to seeing some results. So for the Carber plug, on this 6-inch extra strong test, the plug is delivered as a rental with loose O-ring material that you as the operator need to cut and glue to make that seal work. What we found was that slowed down setup and actually added a pretty significant potential for human error. So in this situation, the setup of the tool took 8 minutes and 15 seconds. To get up to its maximum test pressure, it took us 8 minutes and 39 seconds. But here's where we started to see some challenges. The maximum test pressure that this tool was able to achieve was 2,300 psi. It could not reach 2,500 psi. The next tool in our 6-inch extra strong 2,500 pound test is the Innovator IWT, or internal weld test tool, that is self-energizing. This means that the seals actually react to the hydrostatic pressure and continually to add more rubber pressure, making them perform as the pressure comes up. What happened with this tool is it took us 1 minute and 20 seconds to install the plug. It took us a little longer to get up the pressure at 9 minutes and 49 seconds, but we were able to reach 2,500 pounds of test pressure in our first attempt. After it held pressure for a full 10-minute hydro test, our people then decided to push the limits of that tool, and we actually performed an additional hydro test on the same setup of 3,500 psi. So a total of just over 11 minutes of testing to get it up to pressure, and then we held not one but 2 different hydro tests at 2,500 pounds and again at 3,500 pounds, definitely being the top performer in this category.
When I think about the testing we've done here, it's very insightful to see how different tools perform, how they accomplish those tests with ease or lack thereof. Do they actually reach the desired test pressures? At the end of the day, customers want the plug to get a seal, get up to pressure, so they can get on with confirming that the weld being tested is good. It should never be about the plug. It should be about the test.